During breathing, the lungs extract oxygen and send it to the blood and expel carbon dioxide through the nose. When we breathe, germs mixed with the air try to enter through the nose. The brain creates a sneeze to flush out germs that try to enter through the nose. Sneezing is come to prevent the entry of germs. Let's see an example. Imagine our body as a country. The king of that country is the brain. The mind is queen of the country. The inner organ is the minister of that country. The cell is the people of that country. The enemy of the country is the germs.